on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas and Ellis counties until 11:30. Severe thunderstorms are located near Midlothian and in southern Dallas County, southwest Dallas County, moving to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour. These storms are going to be affecting Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Glen Heights, Novilla, also Lancaster and Red Oak a little bit after 11 here. Wilmer Hutchins area by 11:10, and also Trumbull, Pecan Hill, Joe Pool Lake, Sand Branch, Mountain Creek Lake, and Griffith. Also sections of I-35E, Interstate 20, I-45, and Interstate 30. This is part of a line of thunderstorms involved right now from Denton County all the way down to Hillsborough. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings for Dallas and Ellis counties until 11:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.